Okay, so this is the recipe I've been making in the Ninja blender. It's the smoothie one. And the only thing that I substituted was the oikos. This is really, really good for some reason. It just tastes like Thanksgiving. I don't know. It's the pumpkin pie. That mixed with the carrot makes the most wonderful smoothie I've ever had. So I basically started out with the 2 medium carrots, the 1 cup of carrot juice, the 1/2 cup of vanilla Greek yogurt, and that's the one I substituted. I just put one of these in, and that's the pumpkin pie flavor. And then the 2 teaspoons of honey, the 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/8 teaspoon of ground ginger, and then 1 cup of ice. So there's the smoothie, and I just wanted to post it and let you guys know that if you substitute this oikos pumpkin pie for the just regular Greek yogurt, it makes such a wonderful, rich flavor to it.